Yes, let's discuss the questions from chemistry part. And here we have the first question as you see there. The reagents with which glucose does not react to give corresponding test or products. That is the question, right? Which does not react. That is the point. Which does not react. Tolerance reagent. Yes, it will. Schiff's reagent. It will not. HCN will. Hydroxylamine gives. And sodium hydrogen sulfate will not. So it will be option B and E. Second choice is the correct answer. Second choice is the correct answer. Right? Directly the reactions available in the NCERT and the facts and figures based on the direct information from the textbook. Right? Yes. 52nd. Question number 52. Energy of an electron in the ground state n equal to 1 for helium is minus x. Then that for the electron in n equal to 2 for beryllium 3 plus. You see the ground state for helium plus, and second state for beryllium. Helium atomic number Z is equal to 2 and beryllium atomic number Z is equal to 4, and you know the formula En is equal to E1 for hydrogen into Z square by N square, isn't it? So helium first orbit energy n equal to 1 Z square 2 square, right? And for beryllium atomic number n equal to 2, and it is 2 square in the denominator and 4 square here, isn't it? So first orbit energy for helium plus, and the second orbit energy for beryllium 3 plus, it will be same, isn't it? Option fourth choice, minus x, same value. It will be same value, isn't it? The formula all of you know. This is the formula. Just substituting, we get the correct answer, isn't it? Next question. Which reaction is not a redox reaction? This is a redox reaction where potassium chlorate with the iodine. Potassium chlorate with the iodine. Chlorine you can see getting oxidized and iodine getting it is a redox reaction, not the answer. H2 plus Cl2 giving 2HCl is a redox reaction, not the answer. And the answer is option 3. Barium chloride with the sodium sulfate. That is not a redox reaction, isn't it? That is not a redox reaction. No change in the oxidation state of any of the species given. This is typically a redox reaction, not the answer. Fine. Match list 1, list 2. Match list 1, list 2. Isothermal A will match with the constant temperature. So A will match with the 2. We get the answer option 3. A matches with the 2. We get the answer option 3. Let us verify. B3. Isochoric constant volume. Then C4 isobaric constant pressure, and D1 adiabatic no heat exchange. Very simple question, and first matching you get the answer, isn't it? First matching you get the answer option 3 as the correct answer. Fine. Yes. Next one. Next one, 55. Question number 55. Right? Question number 55. For the reaction 2A giving B plus C, Kc value available at a given time, the composition of the mixture A, B, C are given. All the three composition A, B, C compositions are given same. Then which of the following is correct? That is the question. You see, you can calculate a QC. QC is equal to concentration of B into concentration of C divided by concentration of A square. You see, these three values are same. That means you will get QC equal to 1, isn't it? You will get QC is equal to 1. That means QC is greater than Kc, isn't it? QC greater than Kc, that means backward reaction will take place. Reaction has a tendency to go to forward direction. Reaction has a second choice is the correct answer. Backward reaction will proceed, isn't it? Yeah. 55, second choice. 55. 56. There is again a match list question. Match list question. Matching with the isomerism. Matching with the isomerism. Here we can find a nitro group. So it will go with the linkage isomerism. It is A with the 2. A with the 2. Linkage isomerism. A2 we have two choices. So this choice is out. A2. Now pentaamine sulfato cobalt 3 bromide will go for ionization isomerism, isn't it? B with the 3. A2B3. Fourth choice is the correct answer. A2B3. Fourth choice is the correct answer. And what about the next one? C4, is it correct? C4 coordination isomerism, correct? There are complexes available like this. Both cationic and anionic complexes are available. They will go for coordination isomerism, isn't it? Now, what about the D? D1, is it correct? D1, yes, there is water molecule will go for solvate isomerism called hydrate isomerism, isn't it? Yes. So that's about 56 matches with, the correct answer will go with the fourth choice. Next one, 57. 57. Entropy increases. Entropy increases. A liquid evaporate to water. Entropy increases. Temperature of crystalline solid lowered. Entropy decreases. Solid bicarbonate converted to gases. Entropy increases. Cl2 becoming 2Cl. Entropy increases. So it is then ACD. Correct? ACD. Second choice is the correct answer. 57. Second choice is the correct answer. Fine? Right. Next, 58. 58. 58. We don't have that reaction there. Let me show that reaction. It is available in the soft copy. The reaction given is there is a cyclohexane unit with CH2. CH double bond CH2. This is converted to a cyclohexane group with CH2, CH2, CHO, isn't it? Fine. So what will be the correct transformating reagent in the sequence? So in the first choice, it is hydroboration reaction. Hydroboration reaction, you will get a primary alcohol, and then PCC, you will get the answer. First choice itself is the correct answer. Hydroboration reaction, the result will be, you are going to get like this. There is cyclohexane, CH2, CH2, CH2OH, and then with the PCC. With the PCC, it will be oxidized to CHO group. First choice itself is the correct answer, isn't it? First choice. 58th question. That diagrams are not, it's missing there technically. Right. On to the next question, 59th question. Again, that diagrams, it seems to be organic diagrams, it's missing there. So we have list 1 and list 2. List 1, list 2, it is given like this. It is converted to 2 units of like this. And then benzene converted to benzophenone. Benzene converted to benzophenone. And then cyclohexanol converted to cyclohexanone. And then the last one, ethyl benzene converted to benzoic acid, so, or potassium salt of benzoic acid. And here we have in the list In the list, here we have list 1. This is actually list 2. I am giving list 1. Here there is benzoyl chloride. Here there is benzoyl chloride. Benzoyl chloride with anhydrous AlCl3 and CrO3 number 2, number 3 KMnO4 KOH, number 4 ozonolysis. So what's going to happen? First one, this will be matching with the ozonolysis. A with the 4, A with the 4, this is out, this is out. So we have two choices, A with the 4. Now B1, it's common choice in both the cases. B1 we don't get the answer. C2, C3. Is it C2 or C3? C2 or C3? C2 or 3. And C2, C3. Chromium oxide is a good oxidizing agent. And you can see D. D will match only with the 3. D will match only with the 3. So second choice is the correct answer. Second choice is the correct answer. Question number 59. Second choice is correct answer. So this ozonolysis is going to break over here and you get 2 molecules of cyclohexanol and 1 oxygen here, and here you get 2 molecules of cyclohexanol, and this is FC acylation reaction, FC benzoylation reaction, and this is what the reagent. So first one A with the 4 and second one B with the 1 and the third one this will go with the 2. C with the 2 and D with the 3. D with the 3. D with the 3. Because it is oxidation reaction, side chain oxidation of benzene. Side chain oxidation of benzene, we get benzoic acid, isn't it? Now the 60th question, question number 60. Which of the following is not KPKT? KPKC not equal. KPKC not equal. We know Kp equal to KCRT power delta N, isn't it? So they are equal means delta N should be 0. Delta N is 0 over here and it is equal. KPKC are equal. It is not the answer. And here 2 mole, this is equal and not the answer. Here 2 mole, this is equal and not the answer. Obviously the fourth one should be, here delta N is PCl5, PCl3, Cl2. This is Cl2. So here delta N is 2 minus 1, 1 is delta N, and we get Kp equal to Kc into RT, right? Next one. Which one of the following alcohol reacts instantaneously with the Lucas reagent? Instantaneously with the Lucas reagent, and there also the diagrams are slightly missing. The question number 61. Question number 61. Let me check with the diagrams. Yes. Which one does not react instantaneously with, which of the following alcohol react instantaneously with the Lucas reagent? You know, it should be a tertiary alcohol. Is option 1 is a secondary alcohol. This is a secondary alcohol and not the answer. Option 2 given is a primary alcohol. This is what option 2 given. This is what option 2 given. It is a primary alcohol and not the answer. Option 3 also not available there. Option 3 is the correct answer, which is tertiary butyl alcohol. This is what given option 3, and that is the answer, tertiary butyl alcohol. Tertiary butyl alcohol. Fine? Yes. Next one. So we have question number 62. Statement 1, statement 2, boiling point of 3 isomeric pentane. Follow the order. Normal pentane, isopentane, neopentane. Yes, it is a true statement. As there is increase in branching, boiling point decreases. When branching increases, molecule attain a shape of sphere. This result in smaller. Yes, that is also true statement, and we know both are correct statement. Which one? Option 4. Both are correct statement. Yes. Next. Again, statement 1, statement 2. Aniline does not undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction. Yes, aniline NH2 group is highly sensitive to Lewis acids, right? It is information available direct in the NCERT. Aniline cannot be prepared through Gabriel reaction. Gabriel reaction meant for aliphatic primary amine, not for aromatic amines. So both are true statements only. Option 4 again. Option 4 again. Both are true statements. Next. The value E0 value Mn3 plus Mn2 plus couple more positive than Cr3 plus Cr2 plus or Fe3 plus Fe2 plus due to change in. See, Mn2 plus, you know, it is D5 and this is D4. D4 changes to D5. D4 changes to D5. Second choice. Next. On heating, some solid substances change from solid to vapor state without passing through the liquid state. So what is the purification technique? Sublimation. Direct question. Volatile solids are separated by sublimation technique. Next. Filling solution A. Alkaline copper sulfate. No. Alkaline sodium potassium tartarate. No. Aqueous sodium citrate. No. It is option 4. Aqueous copper sulfate called a filling solution A and sodium potassium tartarate Rochelle salt filling solution B, right? Information directly from the text. Next. Matching. Ethane contain carbon-carbon single bond. We are talking about carbon-carbon bond or something else. Between two carbon atoms. Carbon-carbon single bond. A with the 3. So this is out. Right? Now ethene carbon-carbon double bond. One sigma bond, one pi bond. One sigma bond and one pi bond. So B with the 4. A3, B4. C2 molecule, carbon-carbon double bond. It is unlike organic molecules. C2 molecule, there is bond order 2 and both the bonds are pi bonds because the valence 4 electrons are in the pi bonding molecular orbital. So it is 2 pi bonds. C2. Option second choice is the correct answer. Right? Yes. Next. Intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Here it is para position, no intramolecular. Meta position, no. HF makes intermolecular. So option 4 is the answer. Orthonitrophenol give intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Right? Next. Highest number of helium atom. 4 unified mass helium atom is 1 atom. 4 gram will be 1 mole. So this is greater than this. 2.27 liter means it is 0.1 mole. So this is greater. 4 mole. So this is the answer. 4 mole helium, 4 Avogadro number of molecules into 2 atoms. Right? Into 1. Same. 4 Avogadro number of helium is monoatomic. So 4 Avogadro number of atoms. Next. Number of Faraday required versus conversion. H2O2O2. N factor is 2. So it is 2 Faraday. A with the 2. This is out. A with the 2. B3 or B4. Here N factor is 5. So it is B4. A3, B4. Fourth choice is the correct answer. CO. N factor it is 2 into 1.5. N factor, 2 into 1.5. That will be 3 Faraday. So it is C with 1 correct. And D. Fe2 plus 2, Fe3 plus 1 Faraday. D3. Fourth choice correct answer. Next one. Among group 16 element which does not show -2 oxidation state. Polonium. Last one. Metal. Next. Spin only magnetic moment. Titanium 3 plus is D1 system. Chromium 2 plus is D4 system. And Mn2 plus is D5 system. This is D6 containing 4 unpaired electron. Here also 4 unpaired electron. Here it is 5 unpaired electron. Here it is 1 unpaired electron. And this is D0. So the answer is B and this one, B and D. B and D. Fourth choice is the correct answer. Both contain 4 unpaired electrons, 4.9 Bohr magneton. Right? Next one. Compound C6H14 has 2 tertiary carbon atom. 2 tertiary carbon atom. 2-methyl pentane. 2-methyl pentane. Only 1 tertiary carbon atom. 2,3-dimethyl butane. That is the answer. 2,3-dimethyl butane. That contain 2 tertiary carbon atoms. Second choice, correct answer. 2,3-dimethyl butane. Next one. KH values given and the order of solubility. Order of solubility. Lower the KH value, higher the solubility. Which got a lower KH value. This is lower one. So B maximum. B maximum. After that C, after that A. First choice correct answer. Right? Lower the KH value, higher the solubility. Next. Compound undergoing SN1 reaction. SN1. This is secondary. This is aryl halide, absolutely out. And this is tertiary. This is primary. So we'll go with this. This is tertiary and moreover that it is benzylic. It is benzylic and tertiary. Tertiary benzylic. Stability of carbocation greatly prompt for the SN1 reaction. Greater the stability of carbocation, greater the SN1 reaction. Next one. Most stable carbocation among the following. This is secondary. This is primary. This is tertiary. This is secondary. So the answer is third choice. Right? Next. Both are octahedral complex, differ in their magnetic behavior. Yes, this is diamagnetic and this is paramagnetic. Yes, both are true statement. Both are true statement. Option 4 correct answer. Both are true statements. Right? Next. 1 gram sodium hydroxide treated with a 25 ml 0.75 molar HCl solution. Mass of sodium hydroxide left unreacted. So HCl taken will be molarity into volume in milliliter. So it will be 0.75 into 25. That is 3/4 into 25 millimole. Millimole. And the same will be number of millimoles of NaOH. So mass of NaOH will be 3/4 into 25 millimole into 40. That means milligram. So it is 10. 25 into 750 milligram. 750 milligram is NaOH required. Right? What we have taken is 1 gram. So 0.75 gram is required. 1 gram taken. So what remaining? 1 minus 0.75. 0.25 gram remaining. 250 milligram remaining. First choice is the correct answer. So 1 gram taken. Liquid quantity is 750 milligram. 0.75 gram. So remaining quantity unreacted will be 1 minus 0.75. 0.25 gram. 250 milligram. Next. Boiling point of hydride soda H2O, H2O. Yes, this is correct statement. On the basis of molar mass, H2 expected to have lower boiling point, but due to extensive hydrogen bonding, that is also true statement. Both are true statements. Which one? Again, fourth choice correct answer. Both are true statements. Next. First ionization enthalpy order. First ionization enthalpy order. We know lithium, boron, beryllium, carbon, nitrogen. Lithium, boron, beryllium, carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, like that, isn't it? So there is a difference between beryllium, boron and nitrogen, oxygen. Nitrogen greater than oxygen, beryllium greater than boron. Right? Which one? Option 1. Next choice. Next question. Activation energy of any chemical reaction calculated if one know the value of probability of collision, orientation, rate constant. Option 3. rate constant at two different temperatures. If you know, you can apply Arrhenius equation for finding EA value, right? Next. Increasing order of electronegativity. Electronegativity, fluorine maximum. Fluorine maximum. After fluorine, it is oxygen, fourth choice. After fluorine, second position goes to oxygen, then only nitrogen. Next. ML, orientation, magnetic quantum number. So A with 3, A with 3. This is spin quantum number, spin of electron. B with 4, A, 3, B, 4. C, L, this is L. That is azimuthal quantum number, go for shape of the orbital, shape of the orbital. That is C with 1, C with 1. Option 1, the correct answer. Right? Next one. Now shape of the orbital, shape of the molecule versus shape. Ammonia, trigonal pyramidal, A with 1, A with 1, we get the answer, first choice, A with 1. And B is square pyramidal, B4, and XE4, square planar, 2, C2, and SF6, octahedral, D3, right? Direct application. Next, log of k versus 1 by t. Log k versus 1 by t is a negative slope. Log k is equal to log a minus EA by RT, right? Negative slope. These are all positive slope. The answer is negative slope. Third choice. Next. Work done during reversible isothermal expansion. 1 mole of hydrogen gas, 25 degrees Celsius from pressure 20 atm to 10 atm. So work done is equal to minus 2.303 nRT log P1 by P2. So it will be minus 2.303 N3. N is 1 mole. So 1 into R value 2 calorie, 2 into temperature 25 degrees Celsius. 298 log 20 by 10, that will be log 2.3. Log 2.3, it will be minus, right? So minus, first choice. So 2.303 into 2, 4.6 into somewhat 300 into 0.3. Yes, you will arrive into 400 something with a negative sign, right? Yes. Next one. Identify the correct, not the correct answer, correct statement. The correct statement. BF3 has non-zero dipole moment. It is zero dipole moment. Wrong. Dipole moment of NF3 greater than ammonia. Wrong. It is ammonia greater than NF3 due to directional reasons. 3 canonical forms. That is the correct answer. There can be 3 canonical forms for carbonate ion. Right? Next. Major product A and B in the reaction. So OH will be replaced by bromine. OH will be replaced by bromine. This is out, this is out, this can be in. Now there is dehydrohalogenation. There will be a double bond coming here according to Seychef rule. So this is out. Answer is fourth choice. There will be a double bond according to Seychef elimination. Right? Fourth choice. Next. Pair of lanthanide ion which are diamagnetic in nature. Simple question, direct question. Cerium 4 plus and ytterbium 2 plus. Right? Next. A compound X contains 32% A, 20% B, remaining percent C. Then empirical formula of X is. So we have A 32%. So it will be 32 divided by atomic mass 64. 32 by 64, it is 1 by 2. And B it is 20%. So it will be 20 divided by atomic mass 40. That is also half. And C will be remaining. 32, 20 means 52. Remaining will be 48. So it will be 48%. 48 divided by how much? 32. 32. That will be 3 by 2. So that's very simple, right? So it is 113. 113. Option A, the correct answer. First choice, correct answer. Right. Next. You are using qualitative analysis, arrange them in the increasing order of groups 0 to 5. So group 0 to 5 in the 0 to 6 in the increasing order. Increasing order, it will be copper first. After copper, it will be aluminium. So BA, fourth choice, BADCE, fourth choice. Next. Consider the reaction in a sealed vessel at equilibrium given. These are the equilibrium concentrations available. If 0.1 mole of NO taken in a closed vessel, what will be the degree of dissociation? So you can write 2NO giving N2 plus O2 starting with the 0.1, 0. So it is 0.1 minus X. It will be X by 2 here and X by 2 here. So Kc is equal to X by 2 square, right, divided by 0.1 minus X the whole square. That is equal to, we can find the Kc from this data. How much? 3 into 10 power minus 3 into 4.2 into 10 power minus 3 divided by 2.8 into 10 power minus 3 the whole square. As the concentration of N2, O2 and NO are given, we can find out Kc and equate, and you can solve for X. You can solve for X. Upon solving, you will get X as 0.07 and the answer will be third choice because X is 0.07, for 0.1 molar. For 0.1 mole, you will get X equal to 0.07. Therefore, degree of dissociation for 1 mole. So it will be 0.7. Option 3, you will get the correct answer. Next one. The rate of reaction quadruples. Rate of reaction quadruples when the temperature changes from 27 to 57. Calculate energy of activation. So it is log K2 by K1 equal to EA by 2.303 R T2 minus T1 by T1 T2. So quadruples means it's going to be log 4. Log 4 will be 0.6. That is equal to EA by 2.303 R. Answers are in kilojoule. So it is 8.314 into 10 power minus 3. Temperature T2, T1, 57 means it is 27, 57. So it is different 30 divided by 330 into 300. Upon solving, you can get a EA. Upon solving, you can get a EA 93. 93 you will get as fourth choice. 38 kilojoules you will get, right? A question available in the NCERT exercise part and in almost all discussions we have done this question, Arrhenius equation application, finding EA or finding K2 K1 values ratio, like that. Next, during the preparation more salt solution which is added to prevent hydrolysis, concentrated sulfuric acid, no. Dilute nitric acid, no. It is dilute sulfuric acid, option 3 the correct answer, right? Next. So we have iodopropane with the CN, iodine will be replaced with the CN. So you get CN. That is compound A. Now partial hydrolysis, it will be CONH2, butanamide. Now Hoffman's degradation reaction. This is Hoffman's degradation reaction. You know what to do. Hoffman's degradation, you just omit this, you get a propylamine. Propylamine, option 4th choice, the correct answer, right? Next. Mass in grams of copper deposited by passage of 9.6487 ampere current through voltmeter containing copper sulfate solution for 100 seconds is given molar mass 63. So 1 mole copper, in factor 2, it is 63 gram. You need 2 Faraday, 2 into 96, 487. Asked to take as 1 Faraday. So here we are passing 9.6487 into 100. This much coulomb will give you 63 gram. This much coulomb will give you how much? So it is 63 into 9.6487 into 100 divided by 2 into 96487. So this will give you 100 below. So it is 0.63 by 0.63 by 2. That will be option A. First choice, the correct answer, right? Next one. The given reaction, there is an alkene given, KMnO4. Alkene oxidized by acidified KMnO4. It will break the carbon-carbon double bond and you will get carboxylic acid or ketone. According to the nature, there is a hydrogen available. So you get, it is converted to carboxylic acid. You get cyclohexane carboxylic acid. Cyclohexane carboxylic acid. 2 molecules of cyclohexane carboxylic acid is obtained, right? Next one. This is homoleptic, correct. Whereas this is heteroleptic, correct. So statement 1 is correct. Homoleptic means only one type of ligand. Heteroleptic means more than one type of ligand. It has only one kind of ligand. Yes, it has two. Yes. So the answer is false, 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 true. So it must be fourth choice. Both the statements are true. Both the statements are true. Right. Next. The plot of osmotic pressure versus concentration for a solution, straight line with a slope, given temperature at which osmotic pressure measurement is done. So it is pi equal to CRT, this taken along y-axis and this taken along x-axis, the slope will be RT. So slope equal to 25.73 equal to RT. Therefore, T is equal to 25.73 by R. That is 0.083. That is 2573 by 83. No, 2.73 by 8, isn't it? 2573 divided by 8.38 something. So it will give somewhat how much? 3, you will get above 300. You will get above 300. Maybe 300 is degrees Celsius. Maybe you are going to get 310 Kelvin. You will get 310 Kelvin, that is 37 degrees Celsius. Answer will be fourth choice. 37 degree, 310 Kelvin you will get. 310 Kelvin. And we have the last question available. The product A and B obtained in the following reaction. Product A and B obtained in the following reaction. ROH PCl3 RCl with the H3PO3 available in the preparation part of haloalkanes. Preparation part of haloalkane. The first method of preparation referred in the NCERT from alcohols, a series of reaction given where we find that reactions available and we have discussed in the classes. And second one, ROH with the same where you find the same reaction also, RCl, HCl and POCl3. Third choice, the correct answer. So that's all from the chemistry part, right? And the discussion on others will continue. Okay, bye, see you, good night.